water and desert, two elements that cannot coexist. One kills the other. But look here. Amidst the lifeless sands, cities of glass and concrete have sprung up, oases of a new era. Here, fountains flow, gardens bloom, and millions of people shower every day. Where does this water come from in a place where there is no rain? The answer lies right before us. The ocean, the largest and most useless source of water on Earth, until recently. Imagine a city where every sip you take is a former sea wave. We've learned to drink the sea. Just half a century ago, water here was more valuable than gold. People wandered from well to well, surviving on the edge. Today, we take water for granted. We have conquered nature, but at what cost? Welcome to the era of desalination, an era where we build monster factories to survive. This isn't just a story about deserts. Singapore, California, Spain, Australia. The world is starting to drink the ocean. The demand for water is growing, and freshwater sources are drying up. We have only one option left. How does it work? It all starts with water intake. Billions of liters are sucked in by pumps. First, there's the rough cleaning. We remove sand, algae, and microplastics. The water becomes clear, but it's still deadly salty. Next is the heart of the plant, reverse osmosis. Hulls filled with thousands of membrane tubes. Enormous pressure is created here. Water is literally forced through the walls. The membrane is a sieve with holes the size of molecules. Only pure H2O can pass through. Salt is left out. What we get is distillate, dead, perfectly pure water. You can't drink it yet. It will wash the minerals out of your body. So we contaminate it again, but this time with beneficial substances. Calcium, magnesium. We create the taste of the water anew. Quality control is stricter than in pharmaceuticals. Every drop is tested. The finished water is sent to giant storage tanks, the city's strategic reserve. And then, through the veins and pipes, it flows into your homes. A quiet, invisible river beneath the asphalt. But this miracle has a dark side. We're not just taking water, we're returning poison. Brine, a concentrated salt solution with chemicals. It's heavier than water and settles along the bottom, killing all living things. The second problem is energy. Desalination is incredibly energy intensive. We burn oil and gas to produce water. It's a vicious cycle. We're warming the planet to get water because the planet has warmed up. The world produces enough brine every day to cover Florida to a depth of 30 centimeters. Water intake systems often suck in small fish and plankton, disrupting ocean food chains. The price of such water is high. If the oil runs out or becomes too expensive, these cities will die of thirst. Voice. The safety of these megacities is illusory. The water reserves in the reservoirs often last only 2 to 3 days. Any disaster, cyber attack, or crisis can turn an oasis back into a desert in a matter of hours. We are walking on a knife edge, balancing between technological triumph and environmental catastrophe. Is there a way out? Yes. Engineers are already building a future where water doesn't require oil. Solar domes. Enormous greenhouses that use the desert heat to naturally evaporate seawater. Graphene, a material 1 atom thick. Filters made from it will require 100 times less energy. What do we do with the brine? We're learning how to extract lithium for batteries and valuable metals from it. Instead of waste, a resource. The factories of the future will produce water, energy, and minerals simultaneously. This water doesn't just go into our taps. It turns desert into arable land. Hydroponics, vertical farms. Green wall projects in the Sahara and Arabia. We're trying to restore forests to areas lost thousands of years ago. But the main thing is that we're learning not only to extract, but also to preserve. Wastewater recycling. Every drop is used twice, 3 times. There are even plans to tow icebergs from Antarctica. It sounds like science fiction, but it's being seriously discussed by engineers. Human genius knows no bounds when it comes to survival. We can turn the Earth into a garden, even if the climate is against us. These glittering cities by the sea are a monument to our resilience, but they are also a monument to our vulnerability. Complex systems break down. Simple ones last forever. We have chosen the difficult path. Don't drink it in one gulp. Look at it. This glass contains the energy of the sun, the power of the ocean, and the genius of engineers. This is the most expensive, the most technologically advanced, and the most hard-won water in human history. We've tamed the ocean. Now our task is not to kill it in the process. After all, if the sea dies, no technology will save us. We are a water planet, and our future depends on how we manage every drop. Water is life, even if it comes from the sea. This is the most expensive, the most technologically advanced, and the most hard-won water in human history.